Hello everyone and welcome to our English lesson today. Today we're going to explore a very important word, always. This word is used to talk about how often something happens, and it's really useful in everyday conversations. So let's dive in and learn more about how to use always correctly in English. 100%, always. This word tells us how often something happens. It shows that something happens all the time. We usually put it before the main verb in a sentence. For example, she always brushes her teeth before going to bed. He always arrives early for work. An important note about the word always is that it can indeed come before the main verb, but it can also come after the verb to be, am, is, are in a sentence. Here are some examples to show the different positions. She always eats breakfast before school. Here, the word always has come before the main verb, eats, or they are always happy to help. Here, the word always has come after the to be verb, are. He always forgets his keys. Here, the word always is before the main verb, the action verb, forgets. She is always punctual for her appointments. So here the word always is after a to be verb. Or another example, they are always late for the bus. He is always sleepy in the morning. The sun is always shining in Arizona. Or it is always quiet in the library. So the word always can be placed either before the main verb or after the verb to be in a sentence in simple present tense. The second important note about the word always is that it often comes first in a command or imperative sentences. For example, always listen to your teacher carefully. Always say please and thank you to show politeness. Always wash your hands before eating. Always look both ways before crossing the street. Always do your homework before playing. Great job, everyone. Now you know how to use always in English sentences. Remember, always tells us how often something happens, and it can come before the main verb or after the verb to be. So always keep practicing and use this word correctly in your conversations. Keep up the good work and always strive to improve your English skills. See you next time.